Hello, and welcome back to Life with Mama Khan. Today I'm showing you how to make these delicious shawarma rolls and the homemade bread as well. I'll start by showing you how I make the bread. These are 2 cups of flour, to which I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then a sachet of instant yeast. Then I'll give the dry ingredients a mix and add 1 cup of water, little at a time, and mixing as I go. I greased the glass bowl with 2 tablespoons of oil and added my sticky dough to it. I covered this and left it to rise for 2 hours. Longer is better. After my dough had risen, I just added more flour to it till it stopped sticking to the surface, and then rolled it into smaller dough balls. After this, I rolled them out into circular shapes, and then I just placed each pita on a preheated hot pan. Once these bubbles appear, I turn my bread 3 times. The pita should rise a little or even a lot when it's ready to take off the heat. It only needs to be on the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. So that's how I got these pitas here ready to make shawarma with. Then I prepared my chicken filling. For this I added 2 tablespoons of oil and sauteed half a chopped onion in it. To this I added 1 shredded chicken breast and then seasoned it with chili flakes, garlic powder, white or black pepper, paprika powder, salt, then I added mayonnaise at the end and gave it a stir. If you want to add cheese to yours, then this is the time to do so. I'm adding grated cheddar. Here were the veggies that I added to my shawarma. These are pickled jalapeno, cucumber, and some onions. Then the sauce is a simple mayonnaise with some black pepper and garlic powder mixed into it. Then I assemble the shawarma by first spreading the sauce on the pita, then adding the veggies, adding the warm chicken. You can do this in any order really, it doesn't matter. Then I assembled the second shawarma. I made 2 shawarmas using 1 chicken breast this way. So this is quite a budget-friendly meal. Hope you try and enjoy this recipe. See you next time!